Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Eka Pratama. I am from Technocrat Indonesia University, Faculty of Economics and Business, Accounting Study Program. Here I will explain about business ethics. Enjoy watching. Theoretical basis. Business ethics. 1. Definition. Definition of ethics. The term ethics generally refers to the good and bad of human behavior. Ethics is a branch of philosophy that seeks the essence of good and bad values related to a person's actions and deeds, which are carried out with full awareness based on consideration of their thoughts and become a reference for individual decision-making before carrying out a series of activities. Ethics are not only normative prohibitions, but rather the peak of the accumulation of human intelligence operationalization capabilities. Because it involves the operationalization of human intelligence. Ethics is also called a philosophical system, or a philosophy that questions human practice related to its responsibilities and obligations. 2. The terms ethics and morals are used interchangeably for the same purpose, have the same meaning. Ethics comes from the Latin, ethos, which means habit. Its synonym is moral, also comes from the same language, namely, mores, which means habit. While the Arabic, akhlaq, is the plural form of the mufrad, khuluq, which means character. Both can be interpreted as customs or traditions, which refer to human behavior itself, actions or attitudes that are considered right or good. 3. In general, ethics can be defined as a systematic effort, using reason to interpret our individual or social, moral experience, in which way it can determine the role that will regulate human actions and values that are useful in life. Ethics is synonymous with the morality of an action, which is morally considered right, is called an ethical action. The code of morality is called the code of ethics. Business ethics is also defined as business morality. Morality as a normative action and model that is reflected in our behavior. Normative ethics tries to supply and assess a reasonable moral system. The moral system provides rules that regulate individual behavior by defining right and wrong actions. 30b. Definition of business. The definition of business is a form of activity that is primarily aimed at gaining profit for those who undertake or are interested in the occurrence of the activity. Business or economic activities are also basically activities carried out by individuals or groups to obtain goods and services to meet their needs, both in the form of production, consumption, distribution, and other activities by exchanging or involving them with currency. 4. Definition of business ethics. Business ethics is a set of values about good, bad, right and wrong in the business world based on the principles of morality. In another sense, business ethics means a set of principles and norms where business actors must commit to transacting, behaving and relating so that their business goals are safe. In addition, business ethics can also be interpreted as thinking about morality in economics and business, namely about good, bad, commendable, reprehensible, right, wrong, reasonable, appropriate, inappropriate from a person's behavior in business, entrepreneurship or work. Here are some general definitions of business ethics according to experts. According to K. Bertens, business ethics is the application of general ethical principles to a specific area of human behavior, namely economic and business activities. According to Muhammad Saifullah, business ethics is a set of ethical principles that distinguish between good and bad, must, right, wrong, and so on, as well as general principles that justify someone to apply them to anything in the business world. That's a little explanation from me. Thank you for watching.